Bye ha. Oh, kiss niya ako. Kiss mo ako ate. Bye. Hoy, ano ako ha? Bye ha.
Ito lang palang kailangan, ticket at passport, tsaka yung A-Travel. Parang kailan lang nang umalis ako ng Pinas. Tapos ngayon, pabalik na ulit. Ganun lang pala kabilis lumipas ang 2 years.
Welcome aboard Cebu Pacific Flight.
Hello everyone and welcome to your Cebu Pacific flight where we make moments happen with you. This is flight RJ804 and we are bound for Manila, Philippines. If you have a different flight number or destination, please call your cabin crew for assistance. We request all guests to please stow your hand-carried baggage under the seat in front of you or in the stowage bins above you. Should you need assistance, please do not hesitate to call any of your cabin crew. And once again, we would like to remind guests to please remain on your assigned seats and zones since for the weighted balance of this aircraft. May we also request everyone to kindly safeguard loose items, especially hard objects such as flasks, tumblers, and any electronic devices inside your baggage before stowing it in the overhead bins. In line with this, please take caution in securing your carry-on luggage when opening the bins. This is to prevent items from falling or spilling.
May we request all guests to stow your hand luggage properly under the seat or in the storage bins above you. If you are seated next to an emergency exit, read carefully the passenger briefing card located by your seat. If you do not wish to perform the functions described in case of emergency, please ask the cabin crew to receive you.
Habang ako nasa himpapawid, nakakatakot mag-for good sa Pinas ngayon kahit gaano pa kalaki yung ipon. 2 taon lang ako dito sa ibang bansa pero parang nakalimutan ko nang mamuhay doon. Tumaas na yung mga bilihin tapos kakarampot lang yung kikitain. Dito ko na-realize na mas nakakapagod ang realidad sa Pilipinas kaysa dito sa abroad. Ang bait lang talaga siguro sa akin ni Lord, kaya sobrang thankful na inilagay niya ako sa lugar kung saan para lang akong nakatira sa sarili kong bahay, pero in mayaman version. Pero ang dami ko ding pinagdaanan, and homesick is normal. Dito pala sa ibang bansa, yung mental breakdown at homesick is normal. Kaya dapat matibay ka. Pero lahat naman ng yan nadadaan sa dasal. Ladies and gentlemen, we just landed at Ninoy Aquino International Airport. Cebu Pacific Airlines welcome you to Manila. Kalalapag lamang po natin sa paliparang pangdaigdig ng Ninoy Aquino. Maligayang pagbabalik, kabayan. Mabuhay!
Oh my God! Luggage now.
I will send this back in jail. Pinadala ko na lang sa GNT yung mga pasalubong ko. Tapos nag-angkas na lang din ako papunta dun sa salon kung saan ako magpapagawa. Balik na ulit ako ng NAIA para sa flight ko papunta ng Hong Kong.